Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect YouTube with Cloud. First open your browser, then you need to type in this Claude AI. Click on this link. Once this opens, you need to click where it says start for free. Here, make sure you register and then you log in if you do not have an account. After you do that, look for YouTube. Then you click on sign in with Google. After that, log into your account and then select the account you want to connect with Cloud. After you're done with that, then you have to open Cloud. Here, go to your settings. Once you open settings, go to connectors. Here on connectors, click on add, then browse connectors. Here, search for Windsor. When you have it, make sure you add it. When you add it, then make sure you select the things that you need to add it with. And after that, you have fully connected your YouTube with Cloud and you're done.